Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making meat pie in a toaster machine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sit down, relax while we do this together. This recipe came out nice, crunchy, tasty, and it was really toasted, and that is why we are calling it toasted meat pie. Come along, let's do this together. I add in vegetable oil, diced onion. I gave it a good mix. I added in the grounded meat. I added in potato and carrots. I added in meat spices, salt, seasoning, bay leaf, and rosemary. So I will stir and stir together until everything is properly mixed. So I cooked it until it brought out its sauce. I added water and I like to cook 10 minutes. So I added flour and mixture of water to thicken the filling. So I'll cook it for some time on low heat. So here it's cooked, I will set aside. So I added to my sieved flour, salt, baking powder, and a spoon of sugar. I'll add in 2 eggs. I'll mix and mix. Now I'll add in vegetable oil, 250 grams of margarine. I'll mix. So what I will do now, I'll just continue this process until it is crumbling. Just like this. So now I will be adding milk. I will still add more milk. So now I'm going to mix well until all of them comes together. So here it is. I will leave and set aside. So now I'll be working on my table. So I'll just roll it out. So while this is on, my toaster machine is preheated. I will rub in some margarine. For those of you always coming to like my video, watch my video, comment on my video, share my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep supporting, keep commenting, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. So I added the butter, I added the minced meat, and I added it and I covered. So now I'm taking off the excess flour from the machine. So I would like to cook for a while, and I open, and now I'm going to wash with my egg. So now I'll remove the remaining dough that is in the edges of the toaster. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and be a member of this family. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So this is it, toasted, ready. It really came out nice and crunchy. Try it guys and you will like it. I tried it and it was tasty, so I decided to share with you guys. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video guys. Bye. Enjoy.